Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to my channel and welcome to the transformation of what we're doing. Anyways, today's an exciting day. Today I'm going to set the cab on the truck one last time. I've put it on and pulled it off 3 times only because each time I learn more about it. Every time I pull it off, I learn more about it. So I'm able to, and after this last time taking it apart, I've trimmed the cow down. Actually, I've cut the cow completely off the newer truck. And now my plan is to set it down on this cow. So if all my measurements are correct, this thing should just fit right on there perfectly. So I'm going to trim this a little bit. I'm going to move my bracing up a little higher because I want it to come down a little bit lower once it sits on the cab. But we'll raise it up. We'll raise up the bracing and go from there. So here we go. All right, so I cut the old bracing out. I re-braced it. I lifted it up a little higher so we're able to drop the cab a little lower. Right here where the cow had came down, it came down to here. I cut all this out, made it even. I cut me some plates out so these plates will, end up over here somewhere. And I'll weld all that in just to reinforce this back again. So now the next step from here is going to be setting it down. We'll have to weld these in first. Once I weld them in, I'll quick grind them real quick, and then I'll set the cab on, and we'll see where we're at. It's time. We've set the cab down on the body. As you can see, it didn't allow us to go down all the way because it's hitting on the brake booster. I don't know if you can tell from over there. So we still need about 2 inches, maybe 3 inches to come down. So I'm just gonna have to cut the hole here and just let it come down like it needs to. But we're getting closer. This is going to be probably the final fitment of the cab. So we've got to move forward a little bit and down. And then after that, we'll try on the fenders and see what they look like. think that's it for today. It pretty much took me all day. Cut the old bracing out, replace it with new bracing. Cut my upper cowl off of, or my inner cowl off of the 58. Welded a plate in there and set it down on the newer cowl. So as far as the level goes, everything looks great. Even from the sides, the doors are straight the way they're supposed to be. The body's straight, so that's pretty much where it's going to sit. Got one more test. It's going to test fit the fenders, make sure that my front wheel looks good. We might have to shift it back, hopefully. Hopefully not, because this is exactly where I want it. And we'll go from there. All right, my friends, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And thank you for following.